What's up, everybody? It's your boy, your name here. And today we're diving into the world of free games that can actually make you some serious dough. That's right, you heard me correctly. We're talking about stacking cash, racking up gift cards, and maybe even scoring some epic prizes, all while doing what we love. Gaming. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for some fun ways to earn some extra cash on the side, I've got you covered. We're going to break down the absolute best free games out there that'll have you saying goodbye to your boring old side hustle and hello to the exciting world of getting paid to play. So buckle up, grab your energy drinks, and get ready to level up your gaming experience because things are about to get wild. Let's go! Alright guys, first up we're diving into the world of play-to-earn games, also known as P2E. This is an exciting new frontier in the gaming industry where players can actually earn real-world rewards just by playing their favorite games. Imagine a world where your gaming skills not only bring you joy and entertainment, but also put money in your pocket. That's the promise of P2E games. This is the cutting edge of gaming where you can actually earn cryptocurrency or NFTs just by playing. These digital assets can then be traded, sold, or used within the game itself, creating a whole new economy within the gaming world. It's a revolutionary concept that's changing the way we think about gaming and earning. Imagine turning your love for gaming into a way to earn real-world money. That's what P2E is all about. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's potential for everyone to benefit. The more you play, the more you can earn, making gaming not just a hobby, but a viable source of income. One of the biggest names in the P2E space is Axie Infinity. This game has become a household name in the P2E community, offering players the chance to collect, breed, and battle these adorable little creatures called Axies. It's not just a game, it's a whole ecosystem where players can engage in various activities to earn rewards. This game took the world by storm, with players collecting, breeding, and battling these adorable little creatures called Axies. Each Axie has unique traits and abilities, making the game both strategic and fun. The community around Axie Infinity is vibrant and active, with players from all over the world participating. Each Axie is a unique NFT, meaning you actually own it, and you can buy, sell, or trade them on the blockchain. This ownership aspect adds a whole new layer of value to the game, as players can invest in their Axies and potentially see a return on their investment. The marketplace for Axies is bustling, with transactions happening every day. Then you've got Decentraland and the Sandbox, which are like virtual worlds built on the blockchain. These platforms offer a wide range of activities and opportunities for players to explore. From buying virtual real estate to creating and selling your own games and experiences, the possibilities are endless. You can buy and sell virtual real estate, create and sell your own games and experiences, and even attend virtual events, all while earning cryptocurrency. These virtual worlds are constantly evolving, with new features and opportunities being added all the time. It's an exciting space to be a part of, whether you're a creator or a player. And if you're into card games, you got to check out Unchained. This game combines the strategic depth of traditional card games with the benefits of blockchain technology. Players can collect, trade, and battle with their cards, each of which is a unique NFT. It's like Hearthstone or Magic: The Gathering, but with NFTs, so you actually own your cards and can trade them like valuable collectibles. The game offers a rich and engaging experience, with a thriving community of players who are passionate about both the game and the potential to earn. The world of P2E is constantly evolving, with new games and opportunities popping up all the time. Developers are continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating innovative and exciting new experiences for players. It's a dynamic and fast-paced industry that's only going to grow. So if you're looking for a way to get in on the ground floor of the future of gaming, P2E is definitely worth checking out. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, or just someone interested in the latest tech trends, there's something for everyone in the world of play-to-earn games. Dive in and start exploring today. Next up, let's talk about mobile games with rewards. Imagine turning your idle moments into opportunities to earn some extra cash. Sounds intriguing, right? I know, it sounds too good to be true. But trust me on this one, there are actually apps out there that pay you to play games. Yes, you heard that right. There are tons of legit mobile games out there that will actually pay you to play. These games are not only fun, but also rewarding. You can earn points, gift cards, and even real cash. One of my personal favorites is Play. This app is a game changer for mobile gamers. This app is like a loyalty program for mobile gamers. You earn points just for playing games, and the more you play, the more you earn. You earn points just for playing games, and you can redeem those points for gift cards to Amazon, Google Play, and a bunch of other places. It's a fantastic way to make your gaming time even more valuable. Then there's Lucktastic, which is like a scratch-off ticket app, but instead of scratching, you're playing fun little games. It's a unique twist on the traditional lottery. You can win real cash prizes, and they even have daily drawings where you can win up to $10,000. Imagine the thrill of winning big just by playing games on your phone. And if you're a trivia buff, you've got to check out Swagbucks Live. This app combines the excitement of live trivia with the opportunity to win cash prizes. They have live trivia shows every day where you can win a share of thousands of dollars in cash prizes. It's a fun and interactive way to test your knowledge and earn money. These are just a few examples, guys. The world of mobile gaming is vast and full of opportunities to earn rewards. There are literally hundreds of mobile games out there that will reward you for playing. From puzzle games to strategy games, there's something for everyone. So, next time you're waiting in line or just have a few minutes to kill, why not fire up one of these games and earn some extra cash? It's a fun and productive way to make the most of your time. Alright guys, let's talk about reward apps. These apps are like the Swiss Army knives of earning rewards. You can earn points for doing all sorts of things, like taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and yes, even playing games. One of the most popular reward apps out there is Inbox Dollars. They've been around forever and they're super legit. You can earn cash rewards for completing surveys, reading emails, and playing games. Then there's My Points, which is another great option. They have a huge selection of games to choose from, and you can earn points that you can redeem for gift cards or PayPal cash. And if you're looking for an app that's specifically focused on gaming, check out Feature Points. They have a ton of mobile games to choose from, and you can earn points that you can redeem for gift cards, PayPal cash, and even Bitcoin. The great thing about reward apps is that you can earn rewards for doing things you're already doing anyway. So why not get paid for it? Chapter 4. Casino games. Risk involved. Feeling lucky. Now, before we dive into this next category, I got to give you a disclaimer. Casino games involve risk. It's important to understand that while these games can be thrilling and potentially rewarding, they can also lead to significant losses. You can win money, but you can also lose money. The excitement of hitting a jackpot can be exhilarating, but the disappointment of losing can be equally intense. So please only play with money that you can afford to lose, and always gamble responsibly. Setting limits on your spending and knowing when to stop are crucial steps to ensure you don't get carried away. That being said, if you're feeling lucky and you're looking for a chance to win some serious cash, there are a few casino game apps and websites that you can check out. These platforms offer a variety of games that can provide both fun and the potential for monetary rewards. One popular option is Skills Games. This app allows you to compete in various games and tournaments, giving you the opportunity to win cash prizes based on your skills. They offer a variety of mobile games, including solitaire, bingo, and pool, where you can compete against other players for cash prizes. These games are designed to be both entertaining and challenging, making them a great way to test your skills. Another option is to check out online casinos that offer virtual versions of classic casino games like slots, blackjack, and roulette. These platforms bring the casino experience to your fingertips, allowing you to play from the comfort of your home. Just make sure that the casino you choose is licensed and regulated to ensure fair play. This is crucial to protect yourself from potential scams and to ensure that the games are conducted fairly. Remember, guys, casino games should be seen as a form of entertainment, not a way to make money. The primary goal should be to have fun, and any winnings should be considered a bonus. Always gamble responsibly and within your limits. If you ever feel that gambling is becoming a problem, seek help and take the necessary steps to ensure it remains a fun and controlled activity. Chapter 5, Survey and Game Combination. Double down on rewards. Alright guys, let's talk about a 2-for-1 deal, platforms that let you earn rewards for both playing games and taking surveys. It's like hitting the jackpot of earning opportunities. Some platforms specialize in this combo, offering a variety of games and surveys to keep you engaged. You can rack up points, coins, or other rewards that can be exchanged for gift cards, cash, or even crypto. These platforms understand that your time is valuable, so they aim to make earning rewards as fun and flexible as possible. Whether you have a few minutes to spare or a longer gaming session planned, you can choose how you want to earn. Plus, many of these platforms offer bonuses for completing certain tasks or reaching milestones, so you can boost your earnings while enjoying your favorite games and sharing your opinions through surveys. Chapter 6. Steam and PC games, from free-to-play to paid competitions. Finally, let's not forget about the OG gaming platform Steam. And of course, other PC games out there offer opportunities to win big. Many free-to-play games on Steam have microtransactions where you can use real money to buy in-game items or currency. But did you know that some of these games also have marketplaces where you can sell those items to other players for real money? That's right, you can turn your gaming skills into a profit. Then there are games like Fortnite and League of Legends, which are free to play but offer huge prize pools for their competitive tournaments. We're talking millions of dollars up for grabs for the best of the best. And even if you're not a pro gamer, there are plenty of smaller tournaments and leagues where you can compete for cash prizes or in-game rewards. So dust off your keyboard and mouse and get ready to unleash your inner gaming champion. Auto-level up your earnings and game on. So there you have it, guys. Those are just a few of the many ways you can earn real rewards by playing free games in 2024. Whether you're into P2E games, mobile games, reward apps, casino games, or good old-fashioned PC gaming, there's something out there for everyone. Remember to always check the legitimacy of the platform and be cautious about any initial investments. Happy gaming and earning.